Today we're going to talk about face wash, one of the most important things in your skincare regime, but for two special conditions. One for acne-prone skin and two for sensitive skin. A lot of times these two are together, right? So most acne-prone patients or people have something or the other as an irritant ingredient either in their ointments, creams or their skincare to be able to take care of their excessive oily skin, acne, the bacteria, the inflammation, all of that. In turn, what happens is skin gets even more drier, redder, sensitive and burns on application of anything, especially a face wash. So it's important for you to wisely choose your face wash. I, as a dermatologist, keep getting presented with various face washes, ingredients and creams and lotions in the market, right? Whatever comes in. So while I was talking this week, there was one thing that really caught my attention is something from a company called Trikona. They have two face washes, yeah. So one they were talking to me was about something called as Triclear. This is a foam-based face wash for really skin which needs a gentle care, an irritated skin, an angry skin, a skin with little micro cuts which can become red easily, right? Basically a sensitive skin. Now the ingredients in this were very interesting. One was lactobionic acid, which I have also been, it's also been one of my favorite ingredients in anti-aging and antioxidant creams, because this suppresses the MMP, which is the matrix metalloprotease, which is responsible for actually breaking in a lot of collagen and elastin and your ground substance. In an acne-prone skin, why is it important? That's because you need good skin healing, isn't it? You don't want something else destroying the skin healing capacity. So therefore, this ingredient not is just an very gentle exfoliator, it is also an antioxidant and it helps healing. So that's something really important. The other ingredient in this is something called as gluconolactone, which is a PHA. Yeah, unlike an AHA and a BHA, while you use a PHA, it does not cause irritation to your skin. You can use it every day. Like when I say AHA, BHA, I'm looking at things like lactic acid, salicylic acid. When they're there in your face wash, it really irritates your skin and you can't really use it every day, though it can be a drying ingredient. You need something which exfoliates, but very gently, also leaving behind that little hydration there. So it's absolutely great, especially for sensitive, irritated skin, which needs an everyday face wash, which also exfoliates the dead skin, the bacteria, the muck on your face really well. So therefore, this is one of my really favorites for sensitive skin. So that's something that I really liked. Now the other thing in there, the other advantage also is it is SLS free, which means to say it's free of all harsh chemicals in it. The other one from their range which interested me is Aziclear. This one of course starts off with it being a sulfate free, paraben free, silicone free, soap free, all of that. So anything that's harmful to your skin in the short or long run is not there in this chemical wise. But what is there in this which makes it exciting is azelaic acid. All my patients who come to me with acne know that is my favorite ingredient, and everybody goes home with an azelaic acid tube, right? That's because what azelaic acid does to an acne prone skin, I don't think there's no other one ingredient that can do it, right? It can take care of your dark marks that the acne has caused. It can bring down the bacteria that that's causing your acne. It kind of causes a very gentle exfoliation. So it has all the good things that you need. So it heals the acne, kills the bacteria, takes care of the mark that acne leaves behind, all of that. Now the other ingredient it has is lactic acid. Another acid which is fantastic at exfoliating and taking care of your skin, but leaving the hydration back. So it's more hydrating. You will see lactic acid in like eye creams, in anti-aging creams, where you also need hydration, plus that exfoliation and the cell stimulation that is required. It also has lipohydroxy acids, which again, very gentle exfoliants. So basically, this is a very good face wash for acne-prone skin. It has to be non-comedogenic, so it is non-comedogenic. It is soap-free, and it is free of all irritating chemicals. Again, this is also SLS free. So therefore, all in all, these two face washes is fantastic. Now, most things I use, most of you know, right? Either I use it on myself, or then I take home and my daughter uses it. So we experiment on ourselves first before I really even give it to my patient and believe the claim that anybody is bringing up and telling me. So now when I went back and gave it to my daughter, she ended up telling me something beautiful. She was, Ma, I tried using both, but she ended up using the foamy face wash during the daytime when she thought she just needed a mild cleansing to happen. But at the end of the day, when she felt the skin was a little oily and needed that little more, that's when she ended up using Aziclear. She really loved both products. So that's something. So I think these are products, this can be used for red, irritated, sensitive skin, and your Aziclear for acne-prone skin. However, even that could be red, gentle, and irritated, so you can use a combination. Like I always keep saying, it's good to know what you have. It's good to know what is the right face wash that suits you, and then talk to your skin. So you need to end up asking, today, though it is acne-prone, is it feeling a little dry? Then I'm going to use this. Though it is acne-prone skin, is it feeling a little more oily, needs a little more push towards making it more clearer? Then I'm going to use another face wash. So this is how you decide your own skincare and face wash. And then the other interesting factor I forgot to tell you is their azelaic acid is one of the best sources with the highest grade of azelaic acid that you can ever get. So these are some really, really lovely points that kind of took my heart towards this face wash.